Have your frown lines suddenly started bothering you? Have you suddenly started noticing that there is this droop near your mouth or you can't see your jawline anymore? If you're suffering from any of these aging related problems, then you must watch this video till the end because I'll be talking about few hacks which can help you in delaying the signs of aging as much as we can. Hi, I'm Dr. Noopur Jain. I'm a consultant dermatologist at SkinZest, and today I'm going to talk to you about few tips which will help you in maintaining your youthful skin and delaying the signs of aging as much as possible. First, what is aging? Aging is a very natural process. It is something that no one can stop, but yes, with the help of the right skincare products, right treatments, we can delay the signs from appearing as much as we can. So the usual signs of aging that most people first noticed are around the eyes, where they notice that there are fine lines and wrinkles developing around it. Then people also start noticing that their frown lines are suddenly becoming permanent or more prominent. Smile lines tend to get deeper and the jawline starts becoming invisible. Why does aging happen? Aging happens due to intrinsic factors like our genetic makeup and extrinsic factors. The intrinsic factors are not under our control. There's not much we can do about it because it's our DNA and it's our genetic makeup. But there are extrinsic factors which we can manage, which will help us in delaying the process of aging. So what are these extrinsic factors? Extrinsic factors like exposure to the sun. UV rays cause a lot of damage to our skin. They break down our collagen and elastin fibers and accelerate the process of aging. So sun protection is the most important thing that you can do to help yourself in maintaining the skin. Second extrinsic factor is our diet and our lifestyle. It has been seen that people who follow a healthy lifestyle, they are able to maintain a healthy youthful skin to a later age as well. Whereas those who have a sedentary lifestyle, who have a very hectic lifestyle, who don't even sleep properly, they tend to age much faster. Third extrinsic factor, which I feel is a very important factor these days, is smoking. Smoking is one of the worst things that you can do for your skin because the nicotine and the toxins which are there in the cigarettes, they also damage the elastin fibers. They also produce a lot of free radicals, and all of this damages not only our body but our skin also immensely. So if you want to look youthful for a longer time, stop smoking right away. Next is of course your hydration. The hydration of your body and hydration of your skin is very important in making sure that your skin remains healthy and you are able to age gracefully. Now what can we do to help in preventing these signs from appearing? Follow a good skincare routine. Be consistent with your skincare routine. Add antioxidants in your skincare routine. Add retinols in your skincare routine at an early age so that the retinol is able to stimulate more production of collagen, and that actually delays the process of aging. There are a lot of professional treatments that your dermatologist can advise you, which you can start from early 30s or mid 30s, which will constantly help in keeping your skin rejuvenated and delay the process of aging. So the treatments like microdermabrasion, chemical peeling, lasers, PRP or the vampire facial, microneedling, these are all different types of treatments which stimulate our body to keep producing new collagen, and that definitely helps in delaying the aging in the long run. Once the signs of aging have started appearing, you can go in for other treatments like the anti-wrinkle toxins, like hyaluronic acid fillers, which will help in boosting your skin, which will help in lifting and reducing and smoothing out the fine lines and wrinkles. So the idea of doing any kind of anti-aging treatments is not to try to make a 60-year-old look like a 20-year-old, but the idea is always to make a 60-year-old look like the best possible version at her age. So to summarize, because aging is a multifactorial process, there is no one sure-shot method which will help us in maintaining a rejuvenated and youthful skin. But yes, if we take care of our diet, if we take care of our lifestyle, have a healthy sleep pattern, follow a consistent skincare routine which has ingredients, which has products which will promote collagen synthesis in our skin and maintain our skin, along with certain professional treatments done on a regular basis, we'll definitely be able to delay the signs of aging and maintain our youthful looking appearance. If you have liked this video and found it informative, do share it with your friends, like it, and hit the subscribe button because there is a lot more content on skincare and skin hacks on our channel. If you have any queries or questions, do mention in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.